From farm to factory to table, this is how bread is made.
Every loaf of bread starts with golden wheat.
Quality wheat is essential for good bread. This is perfect.
Keep her steady.
Narration. Harvesting begins mechanically and carefully.
Ready to go.
Testing ensures bread quality from the start. Grains are collected and prepared for milling. Wheat is stored safely until milling.
The journey to bread starts here.
Milling factories receive the wheat.
All clean.
All favorite time.
Narration. Clean wheat ensures pure flour for bread.
Now wheat is ready for the bakery journey.
Flour forms the foundation of every loaf. Mix ready!
Ingredients blend into dough for perfect texture.
Looks elastic. Consistency ensures perfect rising.
Uniform portions mean uniform baking.
Shaping defines the final loaf form.
Tray full.
Rising develops flavor and texture. Baking locks in flavor and structure. Cooling ensures loaves keep shape.
Transcription. Perfect batch.
Only flawless loaves proceed.
Packaging preserves freshness for delivery. Freshly baked bread is stored safely for distribution.
All set for delivery.
Bread heads to grocery stores nationwide. The journey from factory to shelf continues.
Bread arrives ready for display. And it off slices.
All stocked up.
It's a bunch to worry over that.
Narration. Presentation matters for consumer choice. Bread reaches the hands of the customer.
We heard it's the game will do that is why we keep going. They'll help a good that hosts the
Bread is ready for home consumption. Thanks. Fresh bread is enjoyed at home.
Perfectly baked loaves make every meal better.
From farm to factory to table, this is how bread is made.